Good morning. Welcome everyone to reCAP 2026. So great to be here. Welcome everyone online, and a special warm welcome to everyone here in St. Leonrod. Actually, congratulations that you made it here. Yet again, reCAP tickets were gone in less than 3 minutes. What it shows me is that the CAP community matters to you, that CAP matters to you. And I want to use the opportunity today to set the stage, not by talking too much about what CAP does, but why it matters today in 2026. But before we dive into that, there are some logistics to take care of. So let's get started with that. It's the third year we are part of Code Connect together with UI5Con. It's a great experience to have 3 communities in one location. This year, for the first time, we are joined by HANA TechCon. Second year. Oh, thank you, Gregor. You're right. It's the second year that we are joined by the HANA TechCon. If you haven't checked out the other formats, use the opportunity and connect there. This event runs on community energy and on sponsor support. Without that, reCAP wouldn't be existing. So I really want to thank our platinum sponsors, Alpha Oak. I already saw Martin and team over there. Arini, Harikisho, I haven't seen him. Thank you so much for your continuous support. Our gold sponsors, Asbruckon, UniOrg, Brandeis Consulting, and Sovanta. And our silver sponsors, CBS and RevTrack. Thank you so much. Who's here for the first time? Good. This slide is for you. There are some color codes which lead you to the correct rooms. You already found your way to the Audimax. That's great. The other rooms are upstairs with the sidetrack and the hands-on workshops. The hands-on workshops are limited to 40 people only. First come, first serve. Make sure you have access to the agenda. Here's a QR code you can scan. If you haven't looked at the agenda so far, try it, do it. It helps you to navigate through the conference today. 2 more logistical slides. We have a newly introduced format called Topic Corners. You find it also upstairs, and there you can also do a CAP trivia quiz and win some prizes. So stop by. And last but not least, share your impressions with us from today. Use these tags if you do social media posts. And that's it with regards to logistic. Let's dive into some content. We are at an inflection point. AI is not coming, AI is here. And our customers ask us how they can leverage AI in their business. So SAP's answer to that is the autonomous enterprise. It's not generic AI, but it's AI that knows your business processes, your data, your industry. And it's AI that is grounded in the actual fabric of how your enterprise runs. The underlying platform for the autonomous enterprise is the business AI platform. It's the base layer for the strategy, where you run your agent, where you build your agent, where you govern your AI. And as part of that, we have Joule Studio, which is the developer platform on that business AI. It's an agentic tool where developers build skills, agents, workflows, applications, integrations that make Joule useful in your specific business context. CAP is fully integrated into Joule Studio, and what you build here is actually what Joule is running on. Quick show of hands. Who of you uses Claude, Klein, OpenCode, whatever, and would you even consider yourself as a vibe coder? Not that far, not too much. Okay, all right. How many of you have been asked by your manager, by a colleague, by whomever, why you are still using CAP? Why you don't generate everything with AI, just natively? Okay, it doesn't go that far. I still want to talk about it. It's a fair question. And actually the answer is that because of that, CAP matters more today than less. See? I believe that the best code is the code which doesn't need to be generated. Every time an AI writes boilerplate, platform service integrations, audit logging, authentication, authorization, extensibility, multi-tenancy, and all the other stuff from scratch for every app, for every project. That's tokens, so cost, it's latency, it's technical debt, and it's bugs. And CAP is the abstraction layer that makes that code disappear. You define your model, your service, your events in a very concise manner, and an enormous surface of enterprise complexity is simply handled by us. So AI is going to build a lot of application code, but it matters what's the abstraction layer you build it on top. A solid framework means AI-generated code that's consistent, it's secure, it's integrated by default. Without it, you get hundreds of implementations of the same problem which has already been solved. So let me quickly show you some numbers which underpin my statement that CAP matters more than ever. You see two charts. The upper one is our Node.js runtime CDS. It's in blue. 5 years ago, we've been at roughly 90,000 downloads per week. This is all per week. Today, we are at over 300,000, 3 times the scale. In orange, our developer kit, the package you install when you start a new CAP project. 5 years ago, we've been around 30,000 downloads. Today, around 180,000 per week. 6 times. Back to AI. I already talked about the relevance, but what does AI now mean for CAP specifically? And I want to draw a clear line and distinct 2 main areas here. The first area is using AI to build CAP applications. So what do you use to build your CAP application? The most important investment here, and it's mostly or sometimes overlooked, is CapHire, our documentation. When you ask your LLM to write CAP coding, the quality depends on what the LLM knows about CAP. And the LLM knows what it knows because of our documentation, because of sample code. And so whatever we do in improving CapHire is having a direct impact on the quality of every AI-assisted development effort out there. And this is something where the community can also support, right? CapHire is out there. If you find something missing, wrong, whatever, you can create a bug report or even do a PR in that repository and support us in improving the quality. It matters now than it ever has. Beyond the documentation, a curated list of skills, which encodes CAP conventions into a form which AI agents can reason about. And it can also work as a bridge technology until the LLM gets better and better in generating CAP coding. The second is integrating AI capabilities into your CAP application. So what kind of capabilities can you provide your users with? We recently shipped the CAP AI plugin. It provides you with out-of-the-box integration with the SAP AI core service. It simplifies resource groups, deployments, and configurations of the SAP AI core service. And you also get RPT1-based field recommendations for your Fiori elements with 0 extra code. We ship native vector embeddings, including RAG support for the retrieval patterns that make AI actually useful in your enterprise contexts. We ship the MCP annotation, which makes your CAP service at runtime becoming a MCP tool, callable by any agent. And soon, we will follow with the agent annotation, which enables you to build agents directly within CAP itself. All of this connects back to Joule and Joule Studio. CAP is the foundation developers build on to make Joule useful in their specific business contexts. That's our stake in SAP's business AI strategy. Some of these capabilities have been shipped with CDS 10, our new major version, which we just released. This was a really big release for us, and there's a ton of stuff in there. It's much more than just these AI capabilities. To guide you through the details and show you what this all means and give you demos around all these topics, I'm happy to hand over to Daniel, who will walk you through all the details. Thank you so much.